Hello guys and girls, I'm Edson and welcome back to our trading family. Today I want to share a trade that truly showcased the power of a solid strategy and a disciplined approach. It wasn't a coincidence, it was the result of careful planning, a keen eye for the setup and precise execution. In this video, I'm taking you step by step through how I analyzed the market, pinpointed the perfect entry, managed my risk, and ultimately locked in some serious profits on this trade of volatility 100 index. You have to understand that this isn't just about celebrating a win. It's about extracting every lesson from the process so that you on your own time can refine your own trading game. So whether you are a beginner trader or an advanced trader, I would advise you watch this video from the very end. So let's jump right into this video so that you can see and understand how I analyzed and got this setup right here. So we as day traders, we always start our analysis on the daily time frame. Why? Because we are day traders and the daily time frame should be the highest time frame for you as a trader to start looking for the information that the market is currently providing you on that particular day. So on this daily time frame right here, the information that we can see is that this market had been moving in series of higher highs and higher lows. You can see here we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So technically based on this series that the market is providing us with here right here, it can be termed that technically this market is moving in an uptrend direction. So again, the question comes, if this market is been moving in an upward direction, then it only makes sense that you should always look for buying opportunities because all professional traders on the internet, they are saying that if the market is moving in an uptrend, you should look for buys, and if the market is moving in a downtrend, you should look for sells. Like you should always ride the trend. So why did you enter buying position while the market is on an upward direction? Now, to answer your question, you have to understand the conferences or the factors once they occur in the market, what they will tell you that this uptrend market is over, or if this downtrend market it is over. So you have to understand for an uptrend market, let me draw an illustration here for you. For an uptrend market, the uptrend market is said to be over if the previous higher low is broken right here. So whenever the market is moving, providing you with series of higher highs and higher lows, and the market comes to break this previous higher low right here, then you have to understand that this uptrend market, it is no longer valid, like the trend has already been broken. This same scenario, this illustration that we are seeing right here, it is exactly what happened right here. So we said for ourselves, since this market is already over or is already broken, by the break of this structure right here, we say to ourselves, what happens when the market breaks the trend? We know the market must come and retest inside this area, finding liquidities areas before actually playing out. So in the back of our head, on the daily time frame today, we say to ourselves, we know that this market at some point it has to come inside the daily liquidity areas before it eventually continues to sell. So we said, okay, this is a daily time frame, and from here up to here, it's almost 400,000 points. A lot of points. You cannot just stay idle waiting for the market to come all the way right here where you have a family to feed. You have to make money for your family. So we say, let us go on the 1 hour time frame to see if we'll get a system that will support our decision towards the daily liquidity areas. That's where we're going to the 1 hour time frame. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, it can be seen that the market had been moving in a downtrend direction. You can see we have our series right here of lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So technically, as day traders, we did not ignore the information that the market provided us with on the 1 hour time frame. So we said, technically, the downtrend market on the 1 hour time frame has not yet been broken by. You can see this structure, it has not yet been broken. Remember what we discussed on the daily time frame. what conferences make the trend to be broken. So you can see here on the 1 hour time frame, this trend had not yet been broken. All right. So we said we are day traders. We can never just leave money on the table. So we said, okay, since we know how the downtrend market is supposed to move, and that is after the breakout structure, the market has to come to retest before playing out. So we said, where is the 1 hour liquidity areas? Remember, we have already the daily liquidity areas way up above where we are hoping for the market to come and retest. And also on the 1 hour time from currently, since this market has not yet broken this trend right here, we said, okay, we are finding the 1 hour liquidity areas. And we said our 1 hour liquidity area is at this point. So here it's where we said, if we get a conference to support our decision until this point right here, this will be our first take profit. So we said, okay, let us go on the lower time frame, the 50-minute time frame, to see if we will get a system that will support us from here, this area of 1 hour liquidity area. If the market breaks and gives us a shift on the 1 hour time frame, well, it will be just fine, because remember, we are waiting for the market to come to the daily liquidity areas that we saw on the daily time frame. So we went to the 15-minute time frame to see the market structure if we'll get a conference to support our decision towards the 1 hour liquidity areas. Remember, this is all about identifying liquidity areas. If you are a beginner trader and you are having trouble in identifying liquidity areas, then make sure you join the Telegram link. That the link can be found in the description below. Make sure you join my Telegram group, guys and girls. All right. So on the 50-minute time frame right here, we said, how is the market supposed to move right here? You can see on the 50-minute time frame, we got a change of the market character right here. This is the change of the market character. You can see the market closed above this level right here. So we said, okay, since we had already a change of market character on the 15-minute time frame, and we have the liquidity areas on the 1 hour time frame, said, okay, this is enough of a conference. What will happen right here is we wait for the market to come, take this liquidity engineering level right here, and we insert the trade with our stop loss aiming for this quick rejection right here. And as you can see on the trade on the screen, our first take profit was on the 1 hour liquidity areas, and our second take profit was on this level. Now if the market breaks past the 1 hour zone, then it will be fine, because we need a shift that will support our system or our decision towards the daily liquidity area. Guys and girls, you have to remember, I'm sharing these trades to you so that you can understand every trade is a stepping stone on your path to mastery. The real success in trading isn't just about one big win. It's about the cumulative knowledge you gain from every market move. Every trader, no matter how successful you know, started exactly where you are today, facing uncertainties, learning from missteps, growing stronger with each trade. Now, you have to know that you must keep honing your craft, staying disciplined, and trust that your consistent effort will eventually pay off. Your journey is your own, and each challenge you overcome makes you one step closer to the success you're striving for. Now, if you have enjoyed this deep dive and found value in this analysis, please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future insights. And if you're hungry for more real-time tips, strategies, and exclusive content, or just to stay closer to me, then you can join my Telegram group. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy trading, and I wish you a very successful year in 2025. Bye bye.